Welcome to Alvernia University's Open House virtual experience for online adult education admissions. We're excited to be here virtually to give you the chance to get to know all that we have to offer you as an adult learner with unique needs to fit your educational and career goals. Our admissions team for online adult education consists of myself, Stephanie Christman. I'm your admissions advisor, which means that I will work with you from first inquiry all the way through registration and your first week of class. Scott Master is the student success coach who works with you from your first week of class all the way through graduation to plan classes, access resources you may need, and he reports to Brandy Leininger, the Associate Director of Student Success. A little bit about who we are. Alvernia is a fully accredited nonprofit university founded over 60 years ago in 1958 by the Bernardine Franciscan Sisters. Alvernia University is one of 22 Franciscan universities in the U.S. Part of the Alvernia advantage is the deeply rooted commitment in the local communities. This provides students with the opportunity to service and connect with local businesses. Alvernia's core values of service, humility, peacemaking, contemplation, and collegiality are woven throughout the campus community. And with our more than 100 partnerships with local companies and organizations, many employers participate with educational assistance. These partnerships also provide immediate networking opportunities. Alvernia is a Catholic institution at its core, compelling us to foster moral leadership and service to others in the interest of peace and justice locally and globally. Promotion of civic engagement and learning as lifelong pursuits in every career and life path our students choose. Our motto, to learn, to love, to serve, is rooted in our heritage and embraced by our students. Alvernia is a rigorous, caring, and inclusive learning community committed to academic excellence and to being and fostering broadly educated, lifelong learners, reflective professionals, and engaged citizens. Alvernia offers 3 locations in Reading, Philadelphia, and Pottsville for accelerated graduate and adult education programs with a customized pathway for success. Our fully online programs are asynchronous, so you can study anywhere. The advantage here is that you can take classes at a location that works for you. Here are the offerings for our online accelerated bachelor's: addictions and mental health treatment, criminal justice administration, management, healthcare administration, healthcare science, psychology, and an RN to BSN completion program. We offer a 100% online MBA, and there are 2 MED programs we offer completely online if you'd like to continue your education after your bachelor's. You're able to take 1 to 3 classes per 7-week mod, all dependent on your schedule. Asynchronous means you have deadlines to meet, but there are no required login times, so you can complete the coursework when it's convenient for you. Admission is offered every 7 weeks to include the summer, so you can finish faster and begin your career. Our faculty and staff are always readily available to meet with you in person or virtually to discuss educational planning, career development, or even for class-specific questions. At Alvernia, you can get the support you need to be successful. We provide orientation on campus or online, advising and scheduling, online tutorials, and instructional services. We also have student organizations to support you and your interests. These tools and more go beyond degree completion. We care about your success beyond the classroom and make sure your education is aligned with your career of choice. Our faculty have scholarly and real-world experience so that you can learn from educational professionals who understand where you've been and who can help you get to where you're going. Expert guest lecturers also help to enhance your learning experience. We have an average 12-to-1 student to faculty ratio so that you can get the attention you need through small class sizes. As a student and as an alumni, your professional experience is supported by the lifelong learning community you'll find at Alvernia University. You have full access to university resources such as the library, fitness center, athletic events, lectures, and more. A little bit about the admissions process. What you'll need to complete an application is to submit the online application, evidence of high school completion, which can be high school diploma, transcripts, or a GED, all official college transcripts from anywhere you've attended, and a DD-214 if you previously served in the military. There may be additional materials needed, but they'll vary by program and person. Each student will benefit from a personalized review process on a case-by-case basis to make sure we're providing you with the highest level of transfer as possible. You'll receive your transfer evaluation after we receive all official transcripts so that you'll have a clear, detailed curriculum sheet showing the classes you'll need to complete your degree. Here we've given an overview of Alvernia's competitive tuition. Partner organizations include healthcare systems, Penske, area chambers of commerce, and many, many more. Once you've graduated with your bachelor's, you're also eligible for a 25% alumni discount should you come back to Alvernia to pursue a graduate degree. Financial aid options are going to vary from student to student, and that's where our Student Financial Services Office will really step in and help you through the process. With at least 6 credits per semester, you may be eligible for financial aid through state and/or federal grant monies that do not have to be paid back, or also multiple loan options. You are not required to apply for financial aid, but we encourage students to fill out the FAFSA to see what options may be available to you for long-term planning. You can accept some of it, all of it, or none of it. You're not obligated to accept anything offered to you in your financial aid package. Student Financial Services should also be able to discuss payment plan options with you. You are not alone. We are here for you, so contact our team today. We look forward to working with you.